Hello, if you are wondering if the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G support 3.5mm jack earphones and headphones, then yes and no, and what does it mean? Take a look. If I'm connected right now with this adapter and that earphones, they are supported. They are actually connected because the volume adjustment I can change it into the earphones. But if I'm gonna connect by using this one, this adapter, it's not gonna work. So what does it mean? That you have to actually get this adapter that is supported. And now take a look. You plug it in, and now we get information that this USB device is not supported, and this icon of the volume adjustment doesn't actually change for earphones, which means that we are not connected successfully. And there's no any straightforward information which one we have to use. So unfortunately, you will have to purchase few of them. For me, 3 of them works without any problem, but this one, the no name, it's not working. I can show you exactly how it looks, so maybe you can find this brand on some stores. It's called Rixoin, I believe. And this is some information. This one looks like that, with the duck marking. And this one, there's no any brand on it. So yeah, this is it. I hope you find it useful.